Okay, the oven does not work and the circuit breaker is on. It's not a breaker issue. Hasn't responded, but we're here for the microwave right here. We're gonna add 30 seconds right there and just turn it on. This little light is supposed to blink on and off. That's how we know that the microwave is working properly. I won that little gizmo in class. I was the smartest kid in the class, my magic lights. Everything else is anticlimactic. Blinking on and off. According to my magic lights, the microwave is working fine. We're counting down. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is how I know it works. Hot, 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 hot. That's how I know it works.